Hi! In front of me is Vivo X80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, go into Play Store and type in Magic Fluids. Then install this free app from this developer. Nextly, select Open and click on those two lines at the bottom right corner. From here, select Settings at the top and tap on I accept in the pop-up. Now you can adjust all of those wallpaper options however you want to. And when you're finished, click on the top right corner. Now select bottom one again and choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Lastly, click on Apply and pick Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen by selecting one of those options. So now when I click on Home button, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!